In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the new ad tracking features in Google Chrome. This feature is somewhat hidden, but with a few simple steps, you can gain control over your browsing privacy. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the upper right corner of the window, you'll see 3 vertical dots. This icon is commonly referred to as the menu button. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. From this list, you'll want to select Settings. Clicking on Settings will open a new tab dedicated to all the options and preferences you can adjust in Chrome. Now that you're in the Settings tab, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see various categories that group different settings together. You should click on Privacy and Security. This section of Chrome settings is where you'll manage things that involve your personal data and online activity. Once you're in the Privacy and Security section, the next step depends on your version of Google Chrome. You'll need to look for an option labeled either Ad Privacy or Privacy Sandbox. Both of these options focus on features related to personalized advertising and tracking technologies. Click on this option, and it will take you to a dedicated page. Now you're going to focus on turning off the new ad tracking features. This page will show you 3 different sections, each detailing a specific aspect of Chrome's ad-related functionalities. Let's go through these one by one so you can disable them all. First, you'll see Ad Topics. This feature customizes advertising based on your interests. To turn it off, click into the section and simply toggle the switch to the off position. This helps ensure that advertisers can no longer serve you ads based on categorized themes related to your browsing habits. Next, find the section labeled Site Suggested Ads. Like the previous setting, this one also involves tailor-making ads according to the websites you've visited. Similar to before, all you have to do is toggle it off. This action will stop sites from recommending products or services based on your visits. Finally, there's Ad Measurement. This feature is often used by companies to track how effective their online ads are. Again, toggle this setting off to prevent sites and advertisers from collecting data related to your interaction with ads. Once you've completed these steps, you will have successfully disabled the ad tracking features in Google Chrome, thereby enhancing your online privacy. It's always a good practice to keep up with privacy settings to stay informed and in control of your data. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in maintaining the privacy you deserve while browsing.